Hello, my friends. Are you ready this holiday season to do something new, something that does not require too much effort, but it comes very naturally and really enables you to grow? And when I say grow, I mean evolve yourself up and change, raise your standards and raise yourself. Today, I'm going to share something that I have been meaning to do for a while, and I just didn't have the focus or the drive or procrastination that was holding me to do what I really wanted to do. So I launched a 30-minute free class on Thursdays, which is called Thriving on Thursdays, to help my fellow members of the community in financial services or in any sphere to really help them and share my journey of sales of over 2 decades and any other thing that we can brainstorm to help each other out. And I want to take this opportunity to help you to really dive deeper and pick up from something that I did and how it helped me. Hopefully, it'll help you as well. So, one thing that I would really encourage, if you can, to pick up something very simple, very, very simple, and very, very easy and enjoyable that you like to do. And you can, if you can, involve one or two of your customers or your prospects who you would like to onboard. And when I say that, it does not have to involve any kind of an expense or any kind of buying of big gifts. It could be as simple as serving with your time. Money is the most valuable thing, but I also encourage everyone, do not underestimate the value of your time either. They go hand in hand. Time and money are best friends, right? One can buy the other. So if you can, try to give your time 30 minutes, 20 minutes, whoever. If you are heavy in your book of business with a lot of elderly clients, just go visit them, take them a nice simple cup of coffee or something, homemade muffins or a cake, something very, very simple. But the key here is it has to come from your heart. It could be as simple as taking them to a doctor's appointment. Whatever resonates the most with you and it's easy and you enjoy doing that, do that this holiday season. And why I say that is the key to success in any career, besides your technical expertise and all your academic accolades, is your ability to read and relate to humans. If you can read and relate, you are a winner no matter what. You're going to win hearts, and that will take you exponentially further than anything that will help you. Absolutely. I love ChatGPT. I'm a big fan of AI, but I'm a bigger fan of human relationships. So take that time and trust me, I have done that. Invest some time, pick five favorite customers. Pick five customers of yours that who you can totally do something and spend 30 minutes in a week in this. Just go out of your way and see the ripple effect you will have in your career and overall as a person. So I really wanted to share that. Try to become readable and relatable. And the only way to relate to people is when you share yourself. And I encourage you, it's okay to be vulnerable. Vulnerability is beautiful. It's okay. Really, I have been vulnerable to my clients, and sh- this is like decades ago, and I have had shed my tears, showed my weak side. If my one of my parent wasn't well and I was missing them, and then sugared off, went for a glass of wine 2 hours later. So Absolutely. Be vulnerable, be yourself, and you will see how everybody else will respond to you because that's one step of becoming, of showcasing that you are authentic, you are genuine. This is I'm writing a book, and in my upcoming book, I will have 10 steps to 10x your sales, which will in have all those little nuances that help us, that have helped me have a consistent pipeline. And I've seen my father and my grandfather not just have a pipeline of sales, it's been consistent, a generational business and have a legacy. So go in that mindset with being genuine, being authentic, and just being consistent with it, not just being authentic and genuine one day or on the first meeting. No, just be yourself. If you didn't wear a tie that day, that's okay. You forgot or you didn't feel like it. So don't be too stuck up, right? Uh, that's what I had to share. Stay tuned, and hopefully, I'll get my book out in the next few months, and we'll keep you posted on what I have to share in that. Thank you so much.